Hey, welcome to the Lifelong Library. Today we are discussing about the common problem of individual on their daily life, depression. What is depression? Depression is a mental health disorder that affects a person's mood, thoughts, and behavior. It's a common condition that can range in severity from mild to severe and can interfere with a person's daily activities, work, and relationships. Depression can develop at any age, but it often begins in adolescence or early adulthood. Some of the common symptoms of depression include persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or emptiness, loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable, changes in appetite and weight, difficulty sleeping or oversleeping, fatigue or lack of energy, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, difficulty concentrating or making decisions, thoughts of death or suicide. Depression can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, chemical imbalances in the brain, life events such as trauma or loss, and chronic stress. It's important to note that depression is not a sign of weakness or a personal flaw, and it can't be simply overcome by willpower or positive thinking. Treatment for depression often involves a combination of medication and therapy. Antidepressant medication can help to rebalance the chemicals in the brain that are associated with mood, while therapy can help individuals to develop coping strategies and to address underlying issues that may be contributing to their depression. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression, it's important to seek professional help. Depression is a treatable condition, and with the right treatment and support, it's possible to manage symptoms and to lead a fulfilling life. Sadness or depression? Sadness is a normal human emotion that everyone experiences at some point in their lives. It's usually a response to a specific event or situation, such as the loss of a loved one, a relationship breakup, or a disappointing outcome. Sadness is usually temporary and tends to lessen over time as a person adjusts to the situation and begins to feel better. Depression, on the other hand, is a mental health disorder that involves persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest or pleasure in activities that a person used to enjoy. It can interfere with a person's daily life and relationships and can last for weeks, months, or even years if left untreated. While sadness is usually a response to a specific event, depression can occur without an obvious trigger or reason. Additionally, depression is often associated with physical symptoms such as fatigue, changes in appetite and weight, and sleep disturbances. It's important to note that while sadness is a normal and temporary emotion, depression is a serious condition that requires professional help. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression, it's important to seek help from a mental health professional. Treatment for depression can involve medication, therapy, or a combination of both, and with the right treatment and support, it's possible to manage symptoms and to lead a fulfilling life. Getting out of depression? Getting out of depression can be a difficult journey, but it's important to remember that it's possible with the right treatment and support. Here are some steps you can take to help you overcome depression. Seek professional help. The first step in getting out of depression is to seek help from a qualified mental health professional. A therapist can provide counseling and support, and a psychiatrist can prescribe medication if needed. Practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically and emotionally is essential in overcoming depression. Exercise regularly. Eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, and engage in activities you enjoy. Develop a support system. Surround yourself with positive people who care about you and support your efforts to overcome depression. Joining a support group can also be helpful. Challenge negative thoughts. Identify and challenge negative thoughts and beliefs that contribute to depression. Learn to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga, can help you to stay present in the moment and to manage stress and anxiety. Set achievable goals. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and work towards them. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Be patient and kind to yourself. Overcoming depression is a journey, and it takes time. Be patient with yourself, and don't expect overnight results. Remember to be kind to yourself and to celebrate your progress. Remember, it's important to seek professional help if you're experiencing symptoms of depression. With the right treatment and support, it's possible to overcome depression and to live a fulfilling life. CONCLUSION. Depression is a common mental health disorder that can cause persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of interest or pleasure in activities that a person used to enjoy. It can interfere with a person's daily life and relationships and can last for weeks, months, or even years if left untreated. Fortunately, there are effective treatments for depression, and recovery is possible. Seeking help from a qualified mental health professional is the first step in managing depression. A therapist can provide counseling and support, and a psychiatrist can prescribe medication if needed. In addition to professional help, there are several self-care strategies that can help manage depression symptoms. Practicing mindfulness, challenging negative thoughts, developing a support system, setting achievable goals, and being patient and kind to oneself are all strategies that can help in overcoming depression. It's important to remember that overcoming depression is a journey and may take time. Recovery can be a process, and it's essential to be patient and persistent in seeking treatment and support. With the right treatment and support, it's possible to manage depression symptoms and lead a fulfilling life. If you found this article helpful, follow me now.